In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim video on CapCut Mobile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open CapCut on your device. Now make sure you're signed in to CapCut. Now in here, go ahead and click on New Project to be able to create a new project and click on the video that you want to trim using your CapCut application. So just go ahead and click on that specific video and click on the add button. Now, after you add that video, just go ahead and click on the video on your canvas. Once you click on the video on your canvas, you'll be able to find the available tools that you can use for editing the video. So you can add as much videos as you want in this section. Go ahead and click on the video, and at the tool section, first tool that you'll find will be the split tool. So this split tool will allow you to simply trim your video. So click on the split tool to be able to split your video into two. Now after you split this video into two, you can just go ahead and delete the unnecessary parts of your video by splitting the other end, clicking on the delete tool on your tools section. And you can do that as much as you want for your video, and that is how you can simply trim videos on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.